Welcome traders to the crypto trade one new video. So we are going to see that how we are traded into the .USDT with the new position where you can check that there are number of accounts. This is the one of the accounts CJ4322 where you can see that all the trades where we are taken as per the price and the quantity, and depending on the balance we are traded into the client's account, and all the details about this the client and his unique ID which we have mentioned into the form of CRN, which is CJ4322, and what are the trades we are taken. You can see that the open position with the price also. This is the complete details mentioned with the what are the price, what are the trades we are taken into the client's account, and as per the symbol which is the .USDT, quantity is 188, which is mentioned in this particular pair. So you can see that all the details and order history about these trades you can cross verify. There are we are having a multiple entries into the .USDT as per that one we are mentioned, and the open position we are going to show you for the different clients. And this is the another client CZ1784 where you can check the details about this trading and his balance capital into the future segment. Till now the profit of around 8,000 plus we are delivered to the clients, and all this information you can check about the trades, and we are taken the entries. So we are taking the live entry into this account, so you can check that what are the quantities we are going to buy into this particular segment. So as per the 42.38 the price we are taken into the buy side, as we are having idea that it is going to be on higher side, so that's why we are taken this trade into the client's account. So another quantity is 1270 we are taking into the CJ174 because his balance is that around 67,000 US dollar into the future segments for the profit. And if you can see that the more than 11,000 plus profit we are till now the delivered to the client, so .USDT position we are taken. So now we are checking into this different account where the one by one we are going to show you that the trades where the balance is about 2931. So based on that one we are taken another position about the 50 quantities into the client's ID, and once we are clicking on the submit button, it is the trades has been taken into the client's account for the trade. So that you can also check with this particular account. So here the buy position, each and every details you can cross verify. Previously all the trades we have closed, and only the .USDT position is open for the clients based on their capital. So price and each and every details you can verify with this trade. Now this is the another account where you can see that the current balance is around 50,000 here. So according to that we are going to take the future position for the .USDT where we are adding a 950 quantities for the trade, and as per that one once we hit the submit button you can see that the same amount of the quantities will be traded into the client's account, which is directly copied into their Binance account through this API. We are connected these accounts for the trade, and you can see that the 950 quantity is already taken into the 42.4 price. So the price difference a little bit vary as per the market movement and as per the trades we are taking, and this is the one by one trades you can check we are taking into the client's account for the trade. So that's the reason we are taking the other trades. So you can see that CZU2832, this is another client where he's having a little bit less capital, but still the 300 near profit we have booked into this account, and we are going to take this much. So depending on the capital, profit will vary as per the risk and reward pattern, everything is matter, but we are taking smaller risks for the client's account so that their capital should be there, and we no need to face any kind of the risk into the client's account. So this is the new account where each and every account is profit, and some of the accounts which are newly added into our system, so in that system you cannot see the profit because it is going to be added once the .USD we are going to close. So currently the .USD position we are taking into this account where the profit and each and every details about the quantities, which is 55, you can see that these quantities will be traded, and once we hit the submit it will be affected. So you can see that the 55 quantities two times we are taken with the two different position into the client's account. So another accounts we already open a 15 and 10 position, which is CZU1213. So you can see the both the positions open into the client's account for the trade. So all these details we are completely transparent so that we can show each and every clients which is newly added trades, their capital investment, each and every details you can see one by one. We are going to cross forward where we are going to show, and this is the some of the accounts we are going to show you. Few accounts we are going to add later on, so that is also you can check. And this is the another position we wanted to take. So 25 quantities CZU1213 we are taking where the balance is 1331. So small quantities we are taking so that their capital into not in a risk, and we can able to close the trades into the profitable side only. So this is the trading and each and every details for the client's account we are doing it, and we are hoping that ultimately .usdt will give the bumper profit to the client. So all these details and the quantity ID, each and every details you can check, and depending on their ID, once we are adding a quantity and the signal ID, and once hit the submit button, so the same amount of the quantity is going to profit. So see that the client is having little bit less than the 500 capital also, they can able to take the trades into with this future trading, where the small risk only taken and delivering the profit into the client's account. So different IDs you can check, name, symbol, and each and every details where we are adding all the open close position also you can cross verify, and more details we are going to add into the this side. So this is the kind of the copy trade service is going to be performed. So you just need to connect your any account with exchange account with us, and we will deliver the profit. Thank you for watching this video.